Advantages. Dimensional analysis review. Here are the advantages of dimensional analysis. Dimensional analysis is an organized method of problem solving. It communicates the mathematical path for other scientists to easily replicate. This method also allows you to record your own path for future use. Dimensional analysis checks the relationships between variables in an equation. Practice problem 1. Calculate the number of minutes in 3.61 hours. Remember to use the given measurement to determine the number of significant figures in your answer. First, we write the given, 3.61 hours. Second, we add one or more parentheses with a fraction inside. 3.61 hours with one parentheses. Incorporate the conversion factor and cancel out like units. We place hours underneath so that it cancels with the given measurement. Next, we plug into our calculator. The 1 is underneath, so we're multiplying across. 216.6 minutes is our calculator answer. And then we finally consider the given measurement, which was 3.61, and we provide an equal amount of significant figures. Therefore, we round the answer to 217 minutes. Practice problem 2. How many centimeters are in 4.2 inches? The given conversion factor is 2.54 centimeters equals 1 inch. First, we write the given measurement, 4.2 inches. Next, we add one parentheses with a fraction inside. Next, we incorporate the conversion factor, making sure to cancel like units. We place the inches on the bottom, and we plug into our calculator. Here the 1 is underneath, so we're multiplying across, and our calculator answer is 10.668 centimeters. Finally, we look at the given measurement, which was 4.2 inches, and we provide an equal amount of significant figures. So we round our calculator answer to 11 centimeters. Practice problem 3. Calculate the number of seconds in 2 weeks. Our conversion factors are as follows. 1 week is equal to 7 days, 1 day is equal to 24 minutes, 1 hour is equal to 60 minutes, and 1 minute is equal to 60 seconds. First, we write the given measurement, 2.0 weeks. Next, we add one or more parentheses for each of our conversion factors. In this case, we would need 4. In the third step, we incorporate the conversion factors and their values, making sure to cancel like units and making sure only the desired units are not canceled. We place weeks on the bottom of the first conversion factor so that they cancel, place days on the bottom of the second conversion factor so that days cancel, hours so that they cancel, and minutes so that they cancel, and we're only left with seconds. We plug in the values into our calculator and we multiply across because the ones are underneath, and our calculator answer is 1,209,600 seconds. Our calculator answer is 1,209,600 seconds. Next, we consider the given measurement, which was 2.0, and provide an equal amount of significant figures. To do that, we round the value to 1,200,000 seconds. Practice problem 4. Convert the density of 0.58 grams per milliliter to pounds per gallon. Here are the conversion factors. 1 liter is equal to 1.057 quarts, 4 quarts is equal to 1 gallon, and 1 kilogram is equal to 2.2 pounds. First, we write the given measurement, 0.58 grams per mil. Next, we add one parentheses per conversion factor. In this case, we're going to need 2 extra ones for the metric conversions that we're also going to incorporate. Step number 3, we incorporate the conversion factors, making sure to cancel like units and making sure only the desired units are not canceled. We begin by converting the grams. We place 1,000 grams on the bottom to convert to kilograms, then 1 kilogram on the bottom of the second conversion parentheses to convert to pounds. Next, we look at the denominator, and we're converting milliliters to gallons. Or to gallons? Yeah, gallons. Therefore, we place 1,000 milliliters on top of the third conversion factor so that it cancels out with mils, and we have liters now. We place 1 liter on top of the fourth conversion factor and quarts on the bottom. And in the last one, we place quarts on top because we want to end up with gallons on the bottom. Now you are going to plug it into your calculator. Where you see a 1 on the top, you are going to divide. Where you see a 1 on the bottom, you are going to multiply. In this case, for example, we'll take the 0.58, divide it by 1,000, multiply by 2.2, multiply by 1,000, divide by 1.057, and then multiply by 4. Our calculator answer is 4.8288 pounds per gallon. Finally, step number 5 is to consider the given measurement of 0.58 and provide an equal amount of significant figures. Therefore, we are rounding 4.8288 pounds per gallon to 4.8 pounds per gallon.